Hi everyone, welcome to the third session of Python Basics. In this session, we will learn about the string and how to handle and manipulate it. First of all, what is a string? A string is a sequence of character, and we can place the string in both a single quotation and the double quotes like follows. Suppose we have our string1 is equals to Python for machine learning. So we can see it is with the double quote. Now we will give again with single quote. So again, this is also executed successfully. Now we will type what is string1, same value. Okay. Now even string can take the digits and the special character. If we give string3 is okay. So this is also taking this a digit and the special characters. Let's take an example how we can using the indexing we can access the different element of a string. So we have the value here string1 of if we give 0. First of all, what is string1? We'll type it here. Now we'll execute this. The very first element Python p of the Python is being displayed here. Now if you want to see what is the 11th item, which is m. So this is 6 Python plus space 7 plus for 3 like count for 3 count for this 4. So 6 plus 1 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11, and please note the 0th element start. That's why machine m will be the 12th, will be the 11th member here. What is string 1 of 16, which is n, which is this n, this is specific. Please note we can also access the like string through the end using the negative indexing. String1 of will throw the value, and using the length of the string we can get length of the string. We'll get the length of our total characters. So there it is 27. We gave now string of minus 27. So minus 27 from the back means the very first element. See, this is -1 and this value p here will be minus 27. So this is how we navigate from, if we are navigating from the end towards the beginning, we have to give minus. We can also use slicing in a string. Slicing will work the following. Before slicing, whatever value x we are giving before the colon, it will take that, and whatever value we are giving after colon, it will take -1 of that value. So x will be taken from x till y minus till y minus 1. So suppose we are giving string 1 of 0 colon 6. So what is the value of my string 1? Python for machine learning. So it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y minus 1. So y is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it will go from 0 till 5th position. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Execute this. So you can see Python is like, okay. If you want to select the every second item, so it will be like string 1 of colon colon 2. So this will very first item is p. After that y will be skipped, then t. After that h will be like an o. Again, after that n will be skipped, then space will come, and similarly it will be here. Every third item will be print p, then y and t will be skipped, then h, then o n will be skipped, then space, then f o's will be skipped, r. Okay, in this way it will work. It works. We can also merge a string1 str is equals to Python for and str2 equals to machine learning. Then what we'll do is we'll give str3 is equals to str1 plus str. Okay, now if we press here, what is str3? It is the full thing is merged, but space is not there. For that also what we can do, so it is fine now. So we can see that space is added and we have got the original string. Now we can also use through indexing. Suppose if we give str2 into 4, so you can see machine learning is repeated 1 2 3 4 times, but it will not, like, it is repeated 4 times. Now we cannot change the value of index of a string. Let's suppose string, it is y py Python, the second element. So if we want to change this, this is equals to, or we can want to replace with capital value. This will show that string object does not support item assignment, which means that strings are immutable. If you want to like print some value, hello world. If you want to print the hello world in a different line, then you can print like this. Okay. Now if you want to print hello world with the like tab in between them, now if you want with to print the hello world with this special like slash t there, you have to give r at the beginning. This is printed. Now we will play with the string methods. So what is the value of our string1 Python? So if we give string1 dot hello wer, we see every element is like every alphabet is converted to a smaller case. Now if you want to replace string1 dot replace for with and, so you see that it is able to replace. If you want to count, suppose we have our value string4 is equals to I. So if we want to count the value, how many times I is repeated in my string dot count if s. Yes, because in string1 there is no s. It will give here string4. So I is repeated 3 times. If we give hello here, it is repeated 2 times. Also, if you are trying to search anything, like we can use also string dot find string4 dot find s. If we are finding it will throw -1 because this is not present in string4. Similarly, if we give hi here, which is already present, what is the value that it will throw? Well, if we try to find the value, which is, it will throw you the first index of that string. Now if you want to use the capitalize method, okay, string dot capitalize, and we want to capitalize which string4, okay. So all the the very first element of this entire string is converted to the uppercase. So there are several other methods which is also present in python.org. You can also check, and I have shown you some of the methods and how we can manipulate with strings of Python. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want me to cover any other topic, please post in the comment section. Thank you.